What's up YouTube, this is the Mechanic, and today we're going to be learning how to remove these door panels to get to the speakers in this Expedition. This will work on a 97 to 02 Expedition as well as a 98 to 02 Navigator. However, the Navigator will be a bit different in that you will need to remove your door grab, but in the Expedition you will not. The first step to remove this door panel is to remove this electrical connector located underneath this passenger side window switch, and then you just pull on this tab and you just pull it out, and then you're done with that part. The best way to get these electrical connectors off is to use two hands and pull down on this tab, little tab right there, and wiggle it back and forth while holding this still. I've already done that just so that I can show you guys how this will pull off. You'll just push down on that tab and then pull out towards yourself. And then it should come out. The next step will be to remove two Phillips head screws. However, mine are missing, even though this is a one-owner car with no accidents, so I don't need to remove these. However, they are located here and here. The next thing that you will need to do is to remove this door handle. First thing that you want to do is pull out on it, and then get your finger in where it comes out of, and pop this surrounding piece out, just like I did there. And then maneuver it so that you can get to the 5/16 bolt located right there. You'll need to use a 5/16 socket on something like an extension to get this bolt out. And something to note is that you don't need to remove the bolt the entire way, as there's a large thick piece on the door handle itself. Next, all you have to do is lift up. The door panel will come right off. It'll get stuck on that little electrical connector located right here, but other than that, it'll be fine. Now just set this aside for a later date, and now we're going to switch our socket over from 5/16 to a quarter to remove these four nuts right here. Don't remove this, as this is like the soundproofing of it. Just remove these four nuts located here, 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 and here. Next, you'll just be removing this electrical connector, which is just done by pressing on this tab and pushing in and then wiggling it, and then it'll come right off. I'd just like to thank you guys for watching my video. Please be sure to check out my other videos, as I have done a lot of things to this Expedition, including new headlights, retrofitting fog lights, putting those spotlights in, and many other things. Thanks for watching.